Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing a chicken from the Philippines. This is going to be Jollibee's Chicken Joy. So we're going to do it with chicken legs, and we're going to give it a try and see how it all turns out, and see if I can get it like that, at least get it to taste good. So what you're going to need for this is you need about 4 pounds of chicken. I got chicken legs here, a little bit over 4 pounds. And then some salt and pepper. You'll need oil for cooking, which I got heating up right now. And we'll need a cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of cornstarch, and then you get this, and this is 5 seasonings powder, and you'll need a half a teaspoon of this. You'll probably find this if you don't find it in your spice section of your store, you'll probably find it with the Asian spices in the Asian section. That's where I found this one. Had to really look for it. And then you'll need a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then you'll need a teaspoon of salt again for the breading mix. So the first salt and pepper goes on the chicken itself. So let me go get all this kind of set up to make it a little bit easier to go through this, and we'll get working on it. I'll show you how to do it. Okay guys, I got the oil heating up here. It's already heated up to 350 for the deep fryer. What we're going to do first is mix in the breading. So we'll put a cup of flour, a cup of cornstarch, then the half a teaspoon of the 5 spice mix. And you'll probably find that if you don't find it in your seasoning aisle, you'll find your spice aisle. You'll find it in with the Asian stuff and the spices there. And your garlic powder, that would be 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to take this and we're going to get it all mixed in real good here. Okay, so that's good mixed up there. So we got a good mix. Alright, so we'll just set this aside for just a second. Now we're going to take our chicken. Now what we're going to want to do with this is just put your salt and pepper on here evenly. It's going to get in there. Make sure it's good and even. Okay. Now we're going to put a little bit more salt. Okay. A little bit more pepper. Alright. And these are ready to go. So I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Alright, now that we got that done, we're going to take the chicken, I'm just going to roll it in here real good. Okay, we're going to put that down in there. Roll it in there. Yeah, see, it's good and covered. We're going to drop it in there. Do one more. Get it all good and covered. Alright. We're going to drop this in here. And it will be about 15 to 20 minutes of cooking. And while we're doing that, I'm going to finish up the rest of these. So we got to cook about 20 minutes. I'll see you in about 20 minutes here. Okay guys, this is the second batch I got here. What you want to do is pull up your basket here. Let it drain a little bit over the thing. While it's draining, I'll show you what I got here. I just got a baking sheet and a little wire rack. And I'll just put a little bit of paper towel over top of that. So when your chicken is done, just dump it in there. And then after it rests a little bit, you can move it over onto your plate of the finished one. And then you just want to and what you want to do is put in your next batch if you got another batch. So I'm going to finish cooking the rest of what I got here, and then I'll be right back with that and with the ending when I'm all done. Okay guys, these have cooled off a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and take a piece. We're going to give this a try and see how it tastes. So here we go. This is Jollibee's Chicken Joy, homemade. So it's probably not exactly like you would get at Jollibee, but it's a Filipino restaurant. It's Filipino's version of McDonald's. So here we go. We're gonna give this a try. This is the Chicken Joy from Jollibee. Still a little bit hot. It is good. Well, I tell you, I did a nice moist chicken here. Breading, tastes really good. Oh gosh. As you can see, breading looks pretty good, and has good flavor. So, all right, guys, this was the recipe for Chicken Joy from Jollibee. Jollibee, again, is a restaurant in the Philippines, much like McDonald's here in the United States. Of course, they got McDonald's over there too. But okay, guys. Take time to comment below what you think of the Chicken Joy. If you've eaten the Jollibee, hey, I did. I really loved it when I was in the Philippines. One of my favorite places to go. So, also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. The way I know you liked it, know you were here and enjoyed the video. Also, take time to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do cooking videos like this. I have a cooking video that comes out every Saturday. I also do taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure type videos. So, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. I'm gonna finish eating my chicken here.